Good morning, students. 7th class science. We have started the chapter number 2, nutrition in animals and plants. In first topic, we have read the modes of procuring food, means how different animals are catching their food, how different animals are taking their food. Now, in second topic, we will read the process of nutrition. I told you what is nutrition. Nutrition is to take in the food and utilization of that food by our body. This is called nutrition. Process of nutrition. Now we will read various aspects of obtaining food, mode of intake of food, and its utilization in the body for growth and development. This full process is called nutrition. Means to obtain the food, mode of intake the food, different animals are taking their food by different methods. Utilization means use of that food by our body for the growth, for the development of our body. This process is called nutrition. Now we will read the steps of the nutrition. First step. Step 1 is ingestion. Step 1 is ingestion. Ingestion means to get the food, to eat the food, that is called ingestion. Ingestion is getting food and eating food. This process, firstly we are doing this. Firstly we are getting our food, then we are eating our food. This process is called ingestion. In human beings, ingestion takes place through the mouth. How we are eating our food? From the mouth. In human beings, ingestion takes place through the mouth. Now our second step. Second step is digestion. What is digestion? Now food is going into our body, into our stomach. Breakdown of food. Breakdown of food into simpler and soluble molecules. Breakdown of food by our body into simple and soluble. Soluble means which can dissolve molecules. This process is called digestion, and the process of digestion starts from the mouth and it completed to the small intestine. In our body, in human beings, digestion starts from mouth and it completed into the small intestine. It's starting from the mouth and it is completing in the small intestine. Now our third process. Third step is absorption. What is the meaning of absorption? The process by which soluble molecules present in the digested food passes into our body fluids, means which soluble molecules are there, which dissolved molecules are there, that are mixing into our blood. This process is called absorption. And in our body, absorption takes place into the small intestine. Next process is assimilation. Assimilation. What is assimilation? Absorbed food. Now food is absorbed by our body in absorption step. Absorbed food is used for produce energy and for our growth. From the absorbed food we are getting energy and our body is growing. We are getting energy and growth. This is called assimilation. Now last step is egestion. Egestion means which food is absorbed by our body, which is digested by our body. From that food we are getting energy. But which food is undigested by our undigested, that food is coming out from our body, come out from the body. This process is called egestion. Egestion means the process by which undigested food materials are thrown out of our body. This process is called egestion. Now our process of nutrition is completed. Thank you.